Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower door closer in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 3/8 nut driver, flat blade screwdriver, and Phillips number 3 bead screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower door closer. The lower door closer is mounted at the bottom hinge of the refrigerator door. It assists the door in staying opened or closed. If the refrigerator door won't stay open in one position and won't close completely, it's time to check the lower door closer and replace it if needed. All right, let's place the tape here. We're going to secure the door to the cabinet because we're going to remove the upper hinge. And then we're going to climb up. All right, so we need to remove this hinge cover. I got my Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to remove 3 screws. And I'm going to lift off the hinge cover. So our next step would be taking out these 2 3/8 screws. I'm going to use the nut driver, 5/8 nut driver. Going to take them out so we can lift off the upper hinge. And now we're going to remove the tape. Now I'm going to open the door slightly, grab it and lift it off the hinge. And now I can take it somewhere safe. So this plastic thing that you're looking at is the lower door closer. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to put it here underneath and pry it up. And we can continue removing it manually. This is the old lower door closer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is a new lower door closer, and we're going to slide it in. Push it down, and it's installed. All right, now we're going to install the door back onto the fridge. We need to match the upper and lower door closers. Okay, let's install the tape on the door, secure it to the cabinet. Okay, now we're going to install the upper door hinge. I'm going to match the holes. Door got away a little bit, so we're going to pull it and match these holes. I'm going to place these 3/8 screws. Yeah, I'm going to use the nut driver and I'm going to tighten them. Now we're going to place the hinge cover on, push it forward, align the holes, and we're going to secure it. So we'll have 3 screws. The 2 screws are the same length and the third one is shorter and it has a different threads. So the one is with the machine thread goes into this opening here. Don't tighten it yet. Make sure that the other 2 could be installed properly. And now I can tighten this one, the one we installed, the first one. All right. At this point, we can remove the tape. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.